The Kennedy High School cross-country running team ran the following distances in recent practices. Find the mean and median of the team's distances. So let's go back to the directions. So we have the running team and then ran distances, and in this case they gave it to us. Those are the numbers in miles. Now we are supposed to find, so there's the word find, the mean and the median. So those are two vocabulary words that we're looking for, and of the distances, which is the data given. So let's review what the word mean means and the word median. Actually pause the video and search it either in your notes or in your maybe even Google. What does it mean to have mean and median? So mean represents average. So we can write the word average in your notes. And then median is like the middle number. But you can just find the middle number, you have to order them. So middle of the ordered list. So if we're looking for average, we would have to add all the numbers. So I'm looking at the numbers and they're all, like, some of them are decimals, some of them are whole numbers, like 3 is a whole number, and then you have a decimal with a 0.5, which makes it like not difficult, but students make mistakes. So when we're adding all numbers, make sure you line up by the decimal point. So the 3.5, if I'm gonna add it to the 2.5, I would line it up by that decimal. So when I have the next number is 4 miles, I don't want to write the 4 in the place of the tenths because 4 is a whole number, so that will be wrong. So what I want to do is give it a 4.0. That way I could line it up by the actual decimal place like I talked about. So go ahead and pause the video and add all of the numbers like that. I didn't add it for you. Check your work using the calculator. So that will be step 1. Add all numbers or data. Okay, now the step 2 to find the mean is dividing the total. So you would have a number or total, you would divide it by the number of data you have. So if I had only 3, I would divide by 3. So go ahead and count how many total were given or how many individually, and that's the number you would divide by. Use a calculator to check your work, but do your long division on your paper, and that will help you find the mean or the average. So you should divide by 7 because there's 7 total of numbers. Now to find median, you want to list the numbers. So step 1, list them from least to greatest. So list them in order. And once you have the numbers listed, I'm going to pretend those are the numbers as a list. We just use commas. There's 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Then you want to get to the middle. So remember, median is middle. So one way I do that is I eliminate from each side a low and a high. So it's not going to be. And then I keep going, eliminate a low and a high until I get to the middle or the median. So go ahead and finish this problem on your own.